这支笔可是贵公子的。
名字没错，但这支自来水笔是不是他的，不一定。
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn beginner Chinese with the series A Lonely Hero's Journey. Chinese name Gu Zhou. Episode 1. The link of the original video is given in the description.
我们顾家没有这么个女儿。
Zhema means so, such. Sometimes it's pronounced zema instead of zhema. That is, ZH turns into Z. Now let's see how this word is used in Chinese. Zhema plus yi plus measure word plus noun. Note that yi can be omitted. For example, 这么一个问题, such a question like this. 这么个地方, such a place like this. As you can see in this example, the word yi is omitted. In the video, the man says 这么个女儿. It means such a daughter like this. 我没有这么个女儿. What does it mean? I don't have such a daughter. Gu is a surname in Chinese. So, Gu Jia means Gu family. In the video, the man says, 我们顾家没有这么个女儿. Literally, it means we, the Gu family, don't have such a daughter.
我们顾家没有这么个女儿。
我很简单，我来就问你一句话：老鹰是谁啊？
Lai means come. Like 有人来, someone is coming. In this video, we will teach you another meaning of the word lai. Lai is used before a verb to indicate an intended action. The phrase 我来 is often translated as let me do something. As an example, 我来问你 means let me ask you, or I'm going to ask you. In the video, the man says 我来就问你一句话. Let's break it down. 话 means word. 句 is the measure word for 话. So, 一句话 means one word. 就 has different meanings. In this context, it means only, just. 我来就问你一句话. It means I'm going to ask you only one word.
我很简单，我来就问你一句话：老鹰是谁啊？
승인.
你还刻了我的名字。
刻 as a verb means to carve, to engrave. 名字 means name. You carved my name. How to say this in Chinese? 你刻了我的名字. In the video, the man says, 你还刻了我的名字. What's the function of 还 in this sentence? 还 is a word with different uses. One function of 还 is to indicate the situation is against your expectation. In this video, the man receives a gift from his girlfriend. He sees that the gift is a pen. He didn't expect that his name is written on it. But when he takes a look, he sees that his name is engraved on it. He didn't expect this. So he said, you even carved my name. As you can see, in this context, we can translate high as even.
승인.
你还刻了我的名字。
Before we move on, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.
这支笔可是贵公子的。
名字没错，但这支自来水笔是不是他的，不一定。
Let's learn some words about stationery. 铅笔 pencil, 钢笔 pen, 自来水笔 fountain pen. The measure word for all of these words is 支. As you can see, all of them has the word 笔 as a suffix. So, if you say 这支笔, this can refer to all of the words above. It can mean this pencil, this pen, this fountain pen. The exact meaning should be implied from the context. In this video, for example, 这支笔 means 这支自来水笔, this fountain pen. 公子 is a polite way of saying somebody's son, like 王公子, son of Mr. Wang. 贵 is a polite way of saying your. So, 贵公子 means your son. This is more polite than 你儿子. In the video, the officer says 这支笔可是贵公子的. Remember that 可 is used to emphasize the question. The sentence literally means this pen is your son's.
这支笔可是贵公子的。
名字没错，但这支自来水笔是不是他的，不一定。
您可回来了，出大事了！
回 means to return. If I add 来 and say 回来, it means to come back. And if I add 去, I'll get 回去, which means to go back. This 来 and 去, which is added to the verb, is called directional complement. It helps us to distinguish between come back and go back. Let's see another example. 进 means to enter. It can mean both come in and go in. But if you want to specifically say come in, not go in, you can say 进来. And 进去, of course, means to go in. In the video, the man says 您可回来了. 可 in spoken language is used for emphasis. 了 indicates completion of action. In this example, action is coming back. Normally, we can translate such sentences in the past tense. So, 您可回来了 means you came back. 出大事了. 大事 means important matter, great event. 出 here it means to arise, to happen. 出大事了 means an important matter happened. 大事 meaning important matter is the subject of this sentence. As you can see in this sentence, the subject has come after the verb. The note to remember: when the subject is indefinite, it is accepted to put the subject after the verb, especially with verbs which convey the meaning of appearing, disappearing, emerging, vanishing, etc.
您可回来了，出大事了！
记住我跟你说的话，行动。
Do you know how to say red apple in Chinese? 红色的苹果. The structure is modifier plus the plus noun. The word 红色, meaning red, is an adjective. A modifier in its simplest form can be an adjective, as in 红色的苹果. In this phrase, the word 红色, an adjective, acts as a modifier for the word 苹果. What I'm gonna teach you in this video is a verbal phrase can also be a modifier. Let's learn this with an example. If you want to say, the apples that I bought, how do you say this in Mandarin Chinese? 我买的苹果. As you can see, 我买 is a verbal phrase and acts as a modifier just like the word 红色. Let's see another example. 你穿的衣服, what does it mean? The clothes that you wear. Another example, 你去的地方, the place that you go. 你去 is a verbal phrase which acts as a modifier for the word 地方. 我跟你说的话, the words that I told you. 记住, bear in mind, keep in mind. In the video, the man says, 记住我跟你说的话. It means, keep in mind the words that I told you.
记住我跟你说的话。行动。
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.